G'day guys, it's Sean here. Welcome to Sean's Tech Talk. This is not a tech how-to. It's actually a little rant, and it's taken me years to do this rant because um, I didn't know the best domain host service, and for many years I used a place called Crazy Domains. Now, Crazy Domains, of course, is a company made by Web.com, is now owned by them. It used to be an independent company, but I thought the prices were okay. Now, in my last video, I did complain about Crazy Domains and their overpricing. And I just wanted to just set the record straight on my actual reason why I'm using other domain names, domain hosting companies, other than Crazy Domains. And I'm starting to associate myself with them, but it's going to be costly. So that's why I've decided to just comment about what my feelings are and show you guys actually why I'm leaving Crazy Domains, because their prices are way high, and you got to pay for other products, things that you should have for free, like DNS hosting. Okay, now this is me saying that most of the time I didn't care about the prices, because I am helping running a non-profit business by hosting their services. Not hosting, but I'm now their technical advisor. I'm their IT officer. So basically, I do everything IT wise, everything. And we got to keep our prices low because we don't want to blow up prices, especially at this climate. And it's amazing where people can say, hey, it's a computer business. You need to keep your costs high and make yourself superior than others. You don't. You got to keep your costs low. And domain names need to be as low as you can be. Now, look at prices everywhere. They decide to put some domain names up higher than they actually are costing. That's what I found out recently with Crazy Domains. And I'm going to compare Crazy Domains with Venture IP and see what their prices are with a .au, .info, and of course a .com, which are the main three things. And .au is actually a brand new TLD based in Australia, only for Australian residents, and it replaces .com.au, .net.au, and .org.au. Or it shouldn't be replacing .org.au, but it does. And these .aus are amazing, and it makes Australia with their IP domains. And .au.da is the people, the membership behind it, and I am a member of .au.da. Just a disclaimer, as I do have a .au with the company that I'm associated with, DSN, Disability Sports Network. Like I said, I am the technical admin, and they have given me clearance in actually doing these domain names, and I seek good domain names wherever they come from, and I build them per year with these domains, and I do keep books where we should. But anyway, last year I thought might as well change the Disability Sports Network domain name from disabilitysportsnetwork.com and dsn.net.au to proper names, disabilitysportsnetwork.au. We were going to do this with a .net.au or something like that, but we thought might as well change it to Disability Sports Network .au, and it would be a central place for everyone to just have a great time. And we had disabilitysportsnetwork.info. That was a that was actually for the radio and TV streamers, and we thought server 1, server 2, blah blah blah. We changed that. We decided we had to merge into 1 or 2 addresses, which we have. And the 2 addresses are disabilitysportsnetwork.net, which is the radio and TV streaming services. Soon that would be dropping to disabilitysportsnetwork.au, the radio. The TV will be tv.disabilitysportsnetwork.net. And that's where everything will stay. But anyway, let's digress to the pricing. We looked at Crazy Domains and looked at prices. The prices were very expensive, because I've got a social media chat website called chatsafe.info, and I use that to actually make the social network and host all the web hosting services that we got, like SeanCampbellShow.au, chatsafe.site, chatsaferadio.au, which is a brand new station which I just started, and many, many more. And of course the email hosts of dsn.net.au and disabilitysportsnetwork.com. Okay, now I looked at how much chatsafe.info was this year. $40 instead of $25. So they've raised it to $40 a year. No premium DNS. That's the cost of the domain name. I hit the roof. I seriously hit the roof. So next year I am, as soon as possible, I'll be changing to another domain name provider for the .info. And I am going to compare the prices today with Ventura IP, which I am now part of for chatsaferadio.au. And it was a starting price of $9.95, which I did tell you earlier on the how-to on the product of LibreTime, and that's up and running now. And you will see that on the cards above. If not, then it will be linked down there, and you can see it themselves. So I didn't rant about crazy domains. I have not complained about crazy domains. I never had. I just realized that they are cheaper places to go. And ever since web.com took over crazy domains, they decided to hike up heap of prices and not make .au or anything like that cheaper. Like I said, there are cheaper places out there. And we are going to prove that to you today. Now, the second reason why I quit Crazy Domains as the provider of DSN or Disability Sports Network material, which soon we will be pulling out from Crazy Domains, it's because the prices of their premium DNS hosting, which should be for free. They decided to put $25 a year, Australian, just to get that. That's a scam. DNS hosting should be free, like all other providers. I'll show you their prices as well. Actually, let's have a look. Start off with Venture IP, and we're actually going to put in a sample of how much the domains are, and we're going to go into that now. Here's Venture IP, which I am using for ChatSafe Radio and maybe using for the other domain names as well. At the moment, their prices, and they do put it on here, their .au is $9.95 a year. That's for the first year. $19.95 for the year for .au and .com.au. $21.95 for .com, which is not bad indeed. So let's search Sean's Tech Talk. Sean'sTechTalk.com.au, which we can't add because I'm not a company, for that price of $9.95. And I am going to load this stuff out. So, wait a sec, here we go. Sean'sTechTalk.au, $9.95. Sean'sTechTalk.org.au, very cheap price. So let's scroll down to find the .info. .info, $36.75 a year. Okay, so that's how much Sean's Tech Talk is. So let's close that and go with DNS hosting. Can you see DNS hosting on here? No, because it is on the actual domain website, which I'm not going to show you because Venture IP is I've always showed you on the DSN, not the DSN, the last Sean's Tech Talk video. So let's go to Crazy Domains and their costs of Sean's Tech Talk. Look at the prices at the moment for the first year, $15.99. Now, do they actually show how much they actually cost? $1 more. $20.99 a year. That's $1 more. Let's go to .info. Where is .info? $5.49, $35.49 a year. Okay, they could be the same price, but if you add premium DNS to it, let's see, where is it? Premium, here we go, DNS hosting. And let's click onto that website. Come on. Come on. It used to be $25. For 20 standard DNS, it's free. It's not. Because you got to pay $26 a year to host DNS, web forwards, and everything. You only get, and I will say this, you only will get on this one AA, MX, and A, and CNAME. Not the other stuff that you need, because you need to pay $26 a year for that. It should be free, Crazy Domains. It should be 100% free. Now, I'm not ranting, but Crazy Domains is trying to rip us off. So, if you want to go with them, go right ahead. I don't recommend it. I am going somewhere else. I'm sorry, Crazy Domains. I've been a great person from 2013, but I can't do it anymore. You either need to lower your prices, get rid of premium DNS, because it's not needed, because premium DNS should be a part of your free domain DNS hosting, or close. And let's not talk about their customer service. It's not bad, but yeah, I just don't want to talk about it. But anyway, that's my rant about crazy domains and not to use them in Australia. There are plenty of places that are cheaper, and there's a lot of good stuff with the DNS hosting. You should get for free. You don't have to pay $26.95 for a whole lot of DNS stuff that you need for your business if you need it. But it's free everywhere else. I think Crazy Domains could be making a lot of money out of this for no apparent reason at all. But anyway, that's it for Sean's Tech Talk. Part 2 of the LibreTime installer coming soon. And I'm taking the rest of the week off, or weekend off, as it's my birthday. And I am not going to do anything else. So I will catch you guys later on. Bye-bye.